As a last lesson in this section, we're going to cover the ordering when using the set operators. The most important thing is to remember that the order by clause has to go after the last query. So this is the only place we can add it. So order by, and we can order this by the position or the reference. If we order by position, we can use the numbering as we already learned, and our results are going to be ordered by the first column. But I can also order this by the reference. But important thing is that I have to use the column name or the column alias from our first query. In our case, this is the first query. So if I want to order by the first column, I have to order by item ID, right? We're going to get completely the same results. If I try to order by product ID, which is a column in results from our second query, this is going to fail. So sometimes it's advised to use the aliases. So for example, if I name this as ID, I can order this by ID, and this will work just fine. But of course, again, on the first query. This is it for this section. And again, be sure to practice this out, as the set operators will definitely come up on the exam. See you in the next one.